Hello Frankenstein, Donica15 and today I'm going to be making another video on how to make guitar battles, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate how you can put that drain in your battles, and I'm going to discuss a little bit about QbScripts. And I'm really sorry it's been a while since I made a video, but anyways, to put the jet drain in your own song, all you need is one script and to hack the game in the QB files. So I'm gonna get down to how the jet drain meter is made. So you go to guitar boss, I'm pretty sure it is. So if you scroll down here, you can see there's a script named update battle death meter and meter wings. And at first, when I was trying to figure out how this was working, I thought it was some deep root coded stuff right here, but it's actually as simple as placing this script right here. So at the text reader, it's, by the way, I hacked this website. It detects if it's the Tom Morello boss battle, the slash battle, or the devil battle, or, you know, loop battle, or whatever, devil went down to Georgia, and it chooses which end time it should be. Now I was able to change it so you could set it to the ones in my battle pack, and I'm gonna show you how to do just that. But anyways, I was also able to figure out that you could actually compile your own QbScripts, take the bytes in those, and inject it into original QbScripts. So like right here, so I could export this little script right here and be able to take the code from my compiled QbScript and put it right into the original QbScript. It's kind of complicated, but there's also a Decompiler here, so you can see which bytes you have to place your new script at. And yeah. So I made this little script that kind of is a remake of this, the original code from the update script. And I'm gonna, by the way, you need to download the compiler and maybe the Decompiler or the Queen Bee program with the Decompiler from Aditub's GitHub. So, there's if you check one of his comments on his videos, you can see he included a link for the Hacky Decompiler, so just step through those. But anyways, I'm gonna go to the command prompt, and I'm going to compile the script that's used to do this. Write it to a new file, so I think this is the right file. I'm doing this live and I'm really messing up right now. I'm just gonna write it to a file called test00 because I already have a lot of files named test for certain things. Now what you could do is go to your hex editor. So I'm gonna launch mine. It's called HXD. And when you do, you could open it and open both the original script that contains the updating stuff, and take the new script you made and simply paste it into the original script. Now I'm gonna take that right now. So using the script from the original QB, you can, and using the little hex values that it places down for the addresses, you could take it, go to that specific address where the if statements start, and take your own code and replace it at those bytes. So right now in my script is, or whatever, it's at 20, so I could just paste it in and see where that if statement ends. So it's at E0. So I'm gonna cut off it, or put it at E0. So save, and hopefully I'm doing this right. I'm doing this all live. This is stupid, but hopefully now that I've put it right in here, so hopefully once I go back to this QB file, if I go to the folder, oh crap, alright, sorry, forgot that I actually need to put in a certain song that I want this condition to happen with. So let me just grab notepad. So I'm gonna do this for we're just gonna do a test song, and to show, so we're gonna set this to reach all the way to the top of the meter at 30 seconds. So let's just do test song, I guess, and now this is where you set the end time. This end time is used, and this value is used for both when the death train launches and when the meter finally reaches all the way to the top of where it should be. And this is in milliseconds, so let's just put 30,000. Actually, yeah, I thought about putting it shorter, so let's do 15 seconds instead. Now you want to take this and you want to compile it. Alright, so I'm just did that again. And hopefully it refreshed so I can just paste it. And let's go to 20. I think this is the right one. Wait. Alright, I actually set it right after get song time MS. I really messed it up. So it starts at 06 where this hack starts, and it ends at EO. So let's just paste that. Let's import, and let's update. And you can see right there it says test song like we put in our script. So at 15 seconds, if you're playing the test song at 15 seconds as a battle, the meter would all the way to the top. And just like that. Now if you want to do this for the death train, it's just as simple as putting a script in your song. And that turns out to be the case with the original songs themselves. So if we go to the Tom Morello boss battle, you can scroll down and see where it's their scripts. Alright, I should probably enable the debug file for showing purposes. But if you scroll down to the scripts where this is viewable, you can see that there's a script called boss battle begin death lick, and that activates the death train. And you can see this is the same value if I just pull up the file again. No, actually, it's a few seconds off, but you can see it should happen around the same time the meter reaches the top in accordance with this whole script right here. Now I almost forgot, you're gonna have to do this for these both scripts, because one updates the the marker that goes up. It's apparently called the marker in the game, or the files. And one updates it for the wings, so we're gonna have to export this, just name it whatever, and open that through the hex editor again. It turns out I actually copied the thing twice, so oh wait, what did it do again? No, I didn't update it for the wings, so we're gonna apply that to the wings script. Just export that. Alright, so it turns out I did actually start the script hack right at the 0 address or whatever, right when the script started. So it just put get song time millisecond start or whatever twice. So that is the same thing, E0, so we're gonna paste that and we're gonna import it. So hopefully I did this right. So right, and apparently there depends a little extra thing right here, but it does nothing, so we can just ignore that. And you want to update it as well if you're editing these scripts. And just real quick, I'm gonna make a song and feedback that's 15 seconds long, so you can run it straight to Guitar Hero, and we're gonna see this work in action. Right, whoops. So I just made a quick short in this, so we're gonna put that straight in to Guitar Hero. Alright, turns out I'm gonna have to use an example song, but I'll still be right back. Sorry, cutting in here, but it actually turns out you need to cut off the script 2 bytes early, because at the end of the script it places an end script. So I just realized I put this in and it already ended the script too late. So I'm gonna fix that and hopefully get our song working. Alright, so we just finished compiling a song, and now we're gonna add the actual death train to it. So what you do is you go to your song file, whatever it is. So yeah, you go to your song, you go all the way down. By the way, actually. Now since we're in this, there might be blank arrays. So just simply place them on floats, otherwise the this program will scream at you saying, "Hey, you need to fill in these arrays." So let's just simply add all of these. And now what you want to do Now actually, since these are named, then I just checked Tomaro's files. You're gonna have to do it 9 arrays down from this thing, which is this section. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm pretty sure that's it. Actually, no. And it's 7 arrays up from the end. So, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright, so I think it's right here. So you want to take what is exactly put from the original boss files, and you want to just simply copy that right into here. So on here it says, so this is an array struct. You add the array struct header. You add an integer for the time. You take this, you put in that ID. You put in your time. So it's 15 seconds. You create a script. You put these values in. And look, it automatically put that in. It's nice. And you want to save. Well, if I can change these to floats, then that'd be good. Alright, now hopefully that we were able to save. Now we can run this song. Alright, so we're at our game. And we just run. We have to flip as always. And we can see it work in action. So you can see the meters moving like it should. And yeah, so it actually works. And this is also random math. You probably heard this a few times already, but I'm surprised it actually imported star power too. No, I'm using a different thing. And the detriment is actually a little early, but hopefully with the right values, you could be able to set it to where the meter ends. So that was actually it. That's all you need to do. Hopefully I explained it well. I probably didn't, but hopefully just work between the lines or whatever it is. I think that's gonna be the end of this video, so I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and as always, make sure to leave a like if you enjoyed or if this helped you, and hopefully you get to make some amazing battles with this, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!